In this video, you'll learn how to convert XRP to USDT using the bitget platform. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to successfully complete your currency conversion with ease. Start by navigating to the bitget exchange website. You can do this by entering the bitget URL into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the exchange, which includes various options for trading and managing your cryptocurrency. Next, locate the trade option on the main menu. This is typically found at the top of the screen. Clicking on trade will direct you to the trading interface where you can access different trading functionalities, including the conversion of cryptocurrencies. After that, look for the convert and block trade option and click on it. This action will open the conversion interface where you can select the cryptocurrencies you wish to convert. Ensure that you are on the correct screen by confirming that you see conversion options available. Now, you will see fields labeled from and to. Begin by clicking on the From field. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the currency you want to convert from. Select XRP from the list. If you do not see XRP immediately, you can type it into the search bar provided in the drop-down. Once you've selected XRP, proceed to the To field by clicking on it again. A drop-down will appear. This time, choose USDT from the list. It is important to verify that you have selected the correct currencies for conversion before continuing. Next, you should see a field where you can enter the amount of XRP you wish to convert. Type in the desired amount. Keep in mind that the amount you enter should be within your available XRP balance, which you can check on your account dashboard. Following that, you will see the current conversion rate displayed. Click on the conversion rate section to confirm the latest rates. This step ensures you are aware of the current market value for your conversion. After confirming the conversion rate, look for the convert button on the interface. Click on it to initiate the conversion process. A confirmation message will appear providing details of your transaction. Review the information to ensure everything is correct before finalizing. Lastly, once the conversion is complete, you will receive a confirmation that your XRP has been successfully converted to USDT balance in your account. Be aware that conversion times may vary based on network conditions, and ensure that you have a stable internet connection throughout the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.